The main rhythm is our standard kind of backbeat rhythm. All right. The only thing we have to think about is that we are hitting the kick drum on beats 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. In bar 4, we've just got a very slight variation when we are hitting the snare drum on the 3 and 4 and. So there's 3 of them in a row, and you'll see that in your book. But basically, it's going to go like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Right. So let's play through that top line. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Right, so next line down from bar 5, same rhythm. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 until we get to bar 8. We've got this little fill in beat 3 and 4. So we go 1 and 2 and, same as normal. 1 and 2 and, okay? And then the fill. So I'm playing that right, left, right, right, left. Right, left, right, right, left. Let's have a go at playing from 5 through to that fill in bar 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here comes the fill. And there we go. Right, so we're going to go through the entire verse now. So from the beginning of the song up to basically bar 9. So we're going to stop where that chorus kicks in, okay? So we're going to do all the bits we've just done. Okay, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Here comes the fill. And that's it. That is the first part covered up to bar 9. Awesome. Right. This is the chorus now, and this is where we come in with these semi-quavers on the hi-hat. So we're using 2 hands for this. All right. And we're counting 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and A, 4 and A. The kick still wants to mark the beat, so the kick is still going. So I'm keeping that reasonably light on the hi-hat. We're not whacking it, okay? Particularly if you're using an acoustic kit, you don't need to smack it really hard. So again, let's do that one again. Semi-quavers. So we're counting 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and A, 4 and A, 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and A, 4 and A. And again, it's quicker than that in the song. That's a really good thing to practice just by itself. So have a go doing that. In the song, again, it's got a slight variation at the end of the second bar. So the first bar is just like that. 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and A, 4 and A. Second bar, 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and 4. So 3 and 4. Okay, I'm using just my right hand. 3 and 4. And the kick is still going on the numbers 3 and 4, right? 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and 4. Let's play along. Do it with me. Remember to pause the video if you need to, and then you can just come back in and play along with me when you're feeling happy with it, okay? So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and A, 4 and A, 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and 4 and 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and A, 4 and A, 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and 4 and 1 and A, 2 and 4 and 1. Right, now we do the same thing but finish on beat 4. 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and A, 4, and then we've got the fill in bar 16, which is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and A. Right, 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 left, left, right. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yeah, let's just do all the chorus again. Okay, so we're going to add that fill on the end. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and A, 4 and A, 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and 4 and 1 and A, 3 and 4 and 1 and A, 2 and A, 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and A, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There we go. Into the second verse. Second verse, same as the first verse, really. So same main rhythm, going back into this rhythm. All right. End of that line 17, so bar 20. Just be careful because we've got that added snare again, similar to the first thing we did on the first line, but this time there's only 1 on the 3 and. So instead of doing what we did at the beginning, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, we're not hitting that last snare, okay? So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then at the end of the page, bar 24, we've got this lovely little rundown. All right, so 4 on each. 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and A, 4. Finishing on the floor, tom 2. 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and A, 4. So let's have a go at playing that line 21 and playing that little fill at the end of it. Here we go. It's going to go like this. 1 and 2. Woo! Like that. That's good fun, that is. Let's do it. And then we're back into the chorus rhythm, which is, as we know, on the hi-hat. Now we should be familiar with this now. So it's going to go. Bar 29, just be a bit careful because we start with the crash. 1, 2 and A, 3 and A, 4 and A, 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and 4. And that often throws people off the rhythm. All right, here we go. So from 25, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 A, 2 and A, 3 and A, 4 and A, 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and 4 and 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and A, 4 and A, 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and 4 and 1 and A, 2 and A, 4 and A, 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and 4 and 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and A, 4 and A, 1. Right, that takes us to bar 32, which is this cool little fill again. Exactly the same thing. We're running down through the toms, all right, but we're just hitting each one 3 times. So we go, all right, on the toms. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But what we're also doing is the kick with the first hit. So let's go from bar 31 into that. So we're doing this 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and A, 4 and A, 1 and 2 and A. Alright, so that's why we're going from the bar earlier, because it kind of joins in with the kind of stops on there on bar 32, and then we've got the fill down. Okay, all right, excellent. Then we're back into the main rhythm. With a double snare. And that's the end of the song. So yeah, so from 37 on, all we're doing is the main rhythm. Okay, and then we've got that run down again, 4 on each tom. Finishing on that floor tom there on beat 4, before we finish the whole song with a kick and a crash. So the whole of the second page, all right? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and A, 4 and A, 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and A, 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and 4 and 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and A, 4 and A, 1 and 2 and into the rhythm. So going quite slow. And the final fill. Finishing there. All right. Now the song is actually at 95 BPM. So if we just put on a click at 95 BPM, we'll give you an idea of how quick we need to play the semiquavers in the chorus and the main rhythm. 1 and A, 2 and A, 3 and A, 4 and 6. Right, that is the pace of that chorus with the semiquaver hi-hats. All right, and then the main rhythm, 3, 4. It's like that. And there we go. That